Hey everyone, Noel here for Jotform. Today we're going to answer the question, how does PayPal work? I'm sure it'll answer a lot of questions for you, so let's get right to it. If you're currently a business owner or are thinking about becoming one, you've no doubt heard of PayPal. It's a very useful tool for individuals and businesses alike. We're going to cover what PayPal is, PayPal Business Solutions, PayPal Personal Solutions, what the benefits and drawbacks of PayPal are, how safe it is, the different forms of PayPal software and integrations, and finally, how PayPal works with Jotform. In the first part of this video, we'll cover what PayPal is in detail. But in case you're not familiar, here's what it does in a nutshell. It enables cashless and cardless online and in-person payments for goods and services. Let's go into further detail. What is PayPal? PayPal is a well-known digital payments platform used by businesses and consumers alike to conduct financial transactions around the world via the web, mobile apps, or in person. With PayPal, you can pay bills, send and receive money, accept payments, and more. So who uses PayPal? Compared to a traditional merchant account you'd get through a bank, PayPal has a lower barrier of entry. That means just about anyone, like an ambitious teenager wanting to start a business, can create a PayPal account and start using it, sometimes on the same day. In any case, PayPal gives users the ability to accept money for whatever they're selling very simply. And in case you're wondering, PayPal isn't just for small businesses or person-to-person transactions. Home Depot lets customers use PayPal online and in store. Why use PayPal? Simply put, it instills trust with customers. Customers are less likely to trust what they haven't seen, used, or interacted with before. As a small business owner, you'll likely struggle with this for a long time. PayPal is a well-known, trusted brand, and in using it, that trust is transferred to you. And not only is it super convenient for customers, since PayPal already has their banking and credit card info on their database, it's also widely accepted at over 18,000 stores in the US alone. Speaking of businesses, you're probably curious about what the PayPal experience is like, specifically from the perspective of business owners. So let's talk about that. Okay, so PayPal is popular, but just how popular? Well, more than 19 million merchants, from retailers to restaurants to e-commerce stores, use PayPal. You can easily set PayPal up on your website, invoice customers, create digital buttons for quick payment, and accept payment in person, such as at a trade show or street fair. It works for pretty much any situation. The platform isn't without its downfalls, though. PayPal offers an array of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, Venmo, and PayPal Credit, an option that lets customers pay over time. The PayPal Business app is available for both iOS and Android. You can use your PayPal balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted with the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. PayPal offers business account holders loan options too. There's PayPal Business Loan and PayPal Working Capital. For PayPal Business Loan, PayPal notes that this type of loan is best for businesses that have been operating for at least 9 months and that have at least $42,000 in annual revenue. You must be an existing PayPal customer who has had a PayPal business account for at least 90 days and processed $15,000 with PayPal within any time period less than or equal to 12 months. Starting your PayPal business account is just the beginning. While PayPal merchant tools provide a great foundation, PayPal also partners with a number of third parties to help you grow and run your business. If you're interested in e-commerce, PayPal partners with website and online store builders like Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, and BigCommerce. PayPal offers its native PayPal Here solution for accepting payments in your store, but its point-of-sale partners offer more tailored capabilities. Now let's move on to some personal PayPal solutions. First, e-checks. Basically, it's like writing a physical check from your bank, but you're sending it digitally. An e-check is an option if you don't have a credit card or just prefer to pay directly from your bank account. Then there's PayPal Instant Payment. This payment option is a bit different than an e-check. Here's how PayPal defines an instant transfer. An instant transfer is a way to send money or make a payment from your bank account instantly using PayPal. To use an instant transfer, you'll need a confirmed U.S. bank account with enough funds to cover the full payment amount and an unexpired backup funding source like a credit or debit card in case your payment request is declined. PayPal also offers a broad collection of credit, debit, and prepaid cards in partnership with MasterCard. A couple examples are the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, which is a 2% cashback card with no purchase exceptions and no annual fee, or the PayPal Prepaid MasterCard. This reloadable debit card acts similarly to the Cash Card, only it's prepaid. You can load funds onto the card via the no-cost direct deposit service, via transfers from your PayPal account, or via a NetSpend Reload network location. All right, now that we've covered solutions available for both sellers and buyers, what exactly are the drawbacks and advantages of PayPal? Let's dig in. So where does PayPal win? First, with a PayPal business account along with the customer trust the PayPal brand transfers to your business. To name just a few great things PayPal offers, with the platform's business account, you can process payments from PayPal, Venmo, PayPal Credit, and debit and credit cards, both online and in person. With the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, you can use your PayPal balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted. And PayPal business account holders have the opportunity to apply for one of PayPal's 2 business loans, which can help give your business the cash flow it needs to grow. And where does PayPal fall short? When it comes to transaction disputes, it's well known in the seller community that PayPal typically favors buyers, putting the onus on sellers to prove their case. While PayPal does offer a sizable number of integrations that cover common business scenarios, the integrations are optimized for only those scenarios. That means any instances outside of these common business cases are not fully covered. Also, PayPal integrations and APIs can be complex, clunky, or outdated. The result is less flexibility, meaning you'll have to figure out workarounds. It's also difficult to integrate usage-based pricing through PayPal. And using PayPal as your only payment processor could be limiting, because if anything goes wrong with PayPal, like their site goes down, you're stuck. All right, so some of you might be wondering, is PayPal safe? When online shopping first started, people were highly skeptical and often concerned about the safety of their information. So it's perfectly understandable to wonder about the safety of a service like PayPal for both buyers and sellers. But by offering fraud protection, digital encryption, and masking financial information from sellers, PayPal ensures buyers are able to buy with confidence online. If there's ever an issue with a purchase, buyers can file disputes. PayPal then acts as a mediator between the buyer and seller to resolve any order-related discrepancies, such as a lost or damaged package, or a package shipped to the wrong address. So even though issues can and will occur, PayPal has your back and will do their utmost to resolve any discrepancies you or your business may have. So now let's talk about PayPal software, integrations, and specifically how PayPal integrates with Jotform. Some of the most important apps and integrations to look into are the main PayPal app, the PayPal Business app, the PayPal Here app, PayPal Checkout, and PayPal Subscriptions. These are all packed full of amazing features that I'm sure you'll find very useful should you decide to enter the PayPal universe. But what about PayPal's integration with Jotform? Much like PayPal, Jotform can help your business get customers from the interest stage to the purchase stage, whether you sell goods or services, whether your business is for profit or nonprofit, and whether you need a simple form or a robust form and payment solution. Jotform's simple-to-use form builder lets you seamlessly add a PayPal payment form to your website. With the Jotform PayPal integration, you can easily create branded, amazing-looking order forms to improve customer perception and conversion on your digital goods and physical products. And ask for feedback from customers when collecting subscription payments, and then use that feedback to ensure customers stay subscribed. And the best part is, there are no additional fees, and in order to get started, all you need is an account with Jotform and a business account on PayPal. There you have it, folks. We just learned all about PayPal with Jotform. Let's do a quick recap. In this video, we learned about what PayPal is and how it works, PayPal Business Solutions, PayPal Personal Solutions, the advantages and drawbacks of PayPal, how secure PayPal is, and all about PayPal's apps and integrations, specifically how it works with Jotform. I hope this video helped you learn something. My name is Noel. This is Jotform. See y'all later.